Hey guys, it's producer Jay. I wanted to very quickly cover a project that I did over the summer. This is a ATI or GSG MP40P pistol in 9mm. This has been legally converted to a carbine using an extension, barrel extension, the muzzle adapter, thread adapter that came with the stock kit, and the factory stock kit. Now, basically what I did is I took this extension, which I'll put the brand name of in the description. I attached that to the thread adapter that came with the stock kit, pinned and welded the extension to that thread adapter, and then pinned and welded the complete extension to the barrel. Then I removed the muzzle nut in the back, or I'm sorry, the plate in the back for the stock, which was actually pretty difficult to do. Basically, there was two washers that were put together with a screw and then welded over, but they had welded it extremely deep, and so I ended up having to grind almost all the way through both washers and then drill that screw out to get it to pop out. And then I installed the stock. So what we have here is a completely legal carbine version of the MP40 pistol. The stock lockup is really good and tight. This is a really fun gun to shoot. I've only shot it at close range, so I can't really speak to accuracy. The sights are a little floppy, which I imagine you could probably fix with some Loctite, but being very large notch sights with a big front post, it's not too big of a deal. But yeah, it's a lot of fun to shoot. Weighs just over 10 pounds, as you see it here, which is a little heavier than the original submachine gun version. Part of that weight is from this stock, which is a really heavy steel, which means it should be pretty durable. And then part of it is from the barrel extension.
There is no recoil.
No. So real quickly, just want to announce too that we're going to be taking a short break for the next couple of weeks. In the heat of the summer, we haven't been able to get out and shoot much, and there's really not much coming in new on the gun front, so we're going to kind of take it easy over the next couple weeks. Misha will still be posting some videos here and there, but probably not with the frequency that we normally do. So, but when we come back, we'll have some cool stuff for you. This is Jay, and we'll catch you next time.